Our list of stories and stocks that we want to cover. Now, sources tell CNBC-TV18 that the central government will invite applications for electric car manufacturing scheme by April. The government has already circulated draft guidelines for this scheme. Parishad is here with this interesting story. Parishad, over to you.
Well, this is an important development concerning Tesla and global electric vehicle manufacturers. The central government will soon invite applications under the scheme for promotion of manufacturing electric cars in India, which will give global OEMs and domestic OEMs a 15% concessional duty as opposed to 70% currently. This scheme was announced in March last year, and the government has been holding consultation with industry on the implementation guidelines. The Ministry of Heavy Industries, which is the nodal body in charge of this scheme, has now prepared draft guidelines for feedback. The guidelines will soon be notified, and sources say the government could open the scheme for applications in either late March or early April. Sources add that investment in both greenfield and brownfield projects would be eligible, but the amount of committed investment, that is $500 million, would be mandatory for both greenfield and brownfield projects. Companies can spend 5% of committed investment on charging infrastructure. The company must achieve a minimum revenue of rupees 7,500 crore by the 5th year of operation and 5,000 crore by the 4th year of operation. The applicant will be fined in case it fails to meet the revenue criteria, and the fine can be in the range of 1% to 3% of the revenue shortfall. An interministerial sanctioning committee would be formed for approving and monitoring the implementation of this scheme. Sources have told us that Tesla has not participated in any recent stakeholder consultation regarding this electric car manufacturing scheme. The government has actually received representations from almost all global and domestic OEMs, but not Tesla. However, the scheme will be opened within weeks, and the government is still hopeful that Tesla will apply, and so will other OEMs. Among the other known criteria points, the committed investment has to be rupees 4,150 crore. The scheme would apply to cars costing $35,000 or rupees 30 lakh and above. This is the cost of a shipped vehicle without the addition of duty. If approved, a car maker would get 15% duty on 8,000 cars per year, but the company must start making cars in India by 3rd year of operation in India and achieve a domestic value addition of 25% in 3 years and 50% by 5th year of operation. According to estimates, if a company received an approval under the scheme, then a $35,000 imported car would cost an Indian customer around 36 lakh rupees, and an imported car costing $50,000 would cost an Indian customer around 52 lakh rupees. So that will be the benefit to a company as a result of this scheme.
Parishad, thank you very much for that.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV18 on all the social media platforms.